Are you tired of searching for ways to make money online, only to find scams or outdated advice? In this video, you'll discover 10 real and beginner-friendly ways to earn money online, from anywhere in the world. Let's dive in. Freelancing is one of the quickest ways to start earning online. You can offer services like writing, graphic design, programming, or video editing on platforms such as Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer. Build your profile, start with small gigs, and raise your rates as you gain experience. Want something more stable? Try a remote job. Roles like virtual assistant, customer support, and marketing are now fully online. Check sites like Flex Jobs, We Work Remotely, and Remote OK for real opportunities. Digital products are a great way to earn passive income. Sell ebooks, templates, music tracks, or design assets on platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, or Sellfy. Create once, sell forever. Affiliate marketing means earning commission by promoting other people's products. Use your blog, YouTube channel, or social media to share links. Start with platforms like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, or Share a Sale. If you're skilled at something, turn it into a course or offer one-on-one coaching. Teach languages, fitness, coding, anything. Platforms like Udemy, Skillshare, and Teachable make it easy to earn by teaching. Want to sell custom t-shirts, mugs, or posters without inventory? With print on demand, you upload your design, and companies like Printful, Teespring, or Redbubble handle the rest. All you need is a creative design and marketing. You can make money by building an audience on YouTube, Instagram, or TikTok. Monetize through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate links, or sell your own products. It takes time, but the payoff can be huge. Blogging is still alive in 2025. Create a blog in a niche like finance, travel, or lifestyle. Monetize with ads, affiliate links, and sponsored posts. Use platforms like WordPress, Medium, or Substack to get started. Grow your money over time through investing. Start small with stocks, ETFs, or cryptocurrency on platforms like Robinhood, eToro, or Binance. Important: learn before you invest, and never risk money you can't afford to lose. Are you a photographer or videographer? Upload your work to Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, or Pond5 and earn passive income whenever someone downloads your content. Let's recap the 10 ways to make money online. 1. Freelancing. 2. Remote jobs. 3. Digital products. 4. Affiliate marketing. 5. Online courses and coaching. 6. Print on demand. 7. Content creation. 8. Blogging. 9. Investing. 10. Stock photography and video. Pick one, focus on it, and take action today. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Which method will you try first? Let us know in the comments. Here's to your online success in 2025 and beyond. Rock it!